Let there be light. And there was light, man. Look at that. No, right here. Hey, look at that. Hi, welcome to Nzisa Ocheng YouTube channel, where we do a lot of lifestyle content, okay? Do a lot of parenting, cooking, and yeah, motherhood, basically. So, welcome. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back, for coming back to watch our videos, and for subscribing, for supporting me and my family, okay? Yeah, so today we're doing another video. Okay, having kids, you cannot just, because when I start shooting is when he wants me to carry him, he wants to be all over me, so it's hard. But anyway, today, different background, different whatever. I'm still in my house, but in the bedroom, because baby's sleeping, and he went to work overnight, so he's sleeping, and he did not want to go to sleep in the bedroom, so he's sleeping in the sitting room, because that's where he found us, because I was too afraid to sleep in the bedroom alone. So we slept in the sitting room, me and Nolan, and when he came, he joined us there. So he's sleeping, and I wanted to shoot this video today because I've been wanting to shoot it, as in he got me this gift, and then I've not unboxed it. I've not I've not like checked on it in details. Okay, Nolan, we're going to fight. So babe got me a gift, and he said it's my birthday gift. My birthday was last month. My birthday was last month, and this is September. My birthday was in August, and according to him, he did not get me a gift. So he got me this gift, and I am more than grateful. You know that I've been saying my video qualities are not good like right now because I don't have a light. Today there's sunlight, so where I am there's some sunlight coming in, not like sunlight coming in, but there's light coming into this room, so it looks better, but I can do better, right? So he got me a light, okay, and I wanted to unbox this light with you. I don't know how I'm going to do it, because I don't know why I feel like my camera angle is weird. I feel like it's weird. I feel like I love to hold it up here. I love to hold the gift up here so that you can see. And I don't know how else I can put the phone. I don't know how else I can position the phone so that I don't have to do this. Anyway, he got me a light, and this light comes with a bag. No more ring light. No more ring light. What? This one comes in a bag. You can carry it like this. Imagine. You can just, when you're going somewhere, you can, and you're not sure about the lighting, you can just carry this light like this. Ah! So nice. So let's check it out. And obviously, it also comes with a stand. He said it's 2 meters. He said it's almost the same as the one I'm using right now, which came with my ring light, but this is the stand. But this is heavier. This is heavier and feels stronger than the one I'm using. So this is the stand it came with. The light came with this stand, okay? It's a 2 meter stand, I believe, if I'm not wrong, because it's not written here. Okay? So it came with that, and now let's check the light. Oh, There's also something else. It came with 2 phone holders, and then you clip it. Because the light is not like the ring light, it does not have a phone holder. This one you clip it kwa your stand somewhere down. I think somewhere down you clip this one, and then you can put, you can do 2 phones. Who is using 2 phones to record? Yeah, so it comes with this one, a phone holder, and now the light. The light. Here is the light. How do I hold it so that you can read? LED light kit. Imeandikwa Pro LED 600. I don't know if you guys know about this light. It is a professional photo and video LED light kit. Vari-color. I don't know what that is. But you can check this Pro LED 600 and check how much it is, because he refused to tell me how much it is. He said you don't disclose how much a gift was. A light that comes with a remote. Baba, leave it. Leave it. Leave the stand, Baba. Leave it. A light that comes with a remote, man. A remote. I can be where I am right now, and I don't like the lighting, and I just adjust, like add or reduce, turn it on, turn it off, man. A remote. Okay, comes with a remote, comes with a charger. No, what is this? Oh yeah, this one is, you can plug this kwa steamer and you use it while it is plugged in kwa steamer. So this is a charger. This is a charger for a charger you can use while, as in you can use it while it's charging. And then you get another charger. This one is a travel charger. You get this other charger. It looks like those chargers of camera, because even the battery looks like battery ya camera. You see? So you get this charger and 2 batteries. Guy, you get a charger. You get a charger and 2 batteries. I was so tired of using this nani, what is it called? This ring light, because whenever you're using the ring light, you have to be using maybe a power bank or it is plugged in kwa steamer. And ilichomeka. I wish I could show you. Ilichomeka. Now the problem is not that it cannot set ring light imeharibika, but the thing for switching it on imechomeka, so you can't switch it on. So I was so tired of that. And then it comes with this one. Hii ni hapo juu ya kuconnect na light or a camera, because you can use this na camera. You can use that stand and this one na camera. You can put a camera instead of the light. And now to the big boy. The big boy. Here is the light. I was looking at it and it looked ni kadogo. It is small. But wait until you see the power this thing produces. Wait until you see how it lights up. Oh my god. So let's plug in the batteries and see. We have to test. This is the light. You open it like that. Like that. Okay. You open it like that. Like that. And there is your light. There. This is your light. That's how you open it. I am so happy. Look at that. Show me a man that can support you. Support your dreams. Hey. Oh God. I am so happy. I don't know if I would have gotten this for myself, because where is the money? Imagine investing all of these, and it's not like even YouTube is paying me. It's not paying me. We're not even monetized, so we're not making anything, but he's investing all of this money. Oh God. And let me see, how do we plug this in? I said you just push it. Oh, I think like that. Let me try again. Let me show you as I do the other one. So there's some tushimo here, and you have these two things. So you put it here and press this button, and then no, ishaingia actually, ishaingia. Now let's see the power. Now I love to point it at myself because this is on and off. Wait, what have I done wrong? Now the problem is I can't wake up, babe. Can't wake babe up, and I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, because I kuwaka. Anyway, let's see. Let's try one more time. Yes, look at that. Let there be light. And there was light, man. Look at that. No, right here. Hey, look at that. Hi. How are you? How are you doing? Hope you're well, because we are doing amazing on this side. Hey, look at that light. And I think that's this is the minimum. Oh my God, it's burning my eyes. This one you can't put it close to you like the ring light. Woo. But you see the difference? Look at that. Look at that. And look at that. Ah, yeah. So we got this light. Let me see. Yeah, it could dim, imagine. Dim. Oh, I am so happy. Then you can also change for the color. Okay, see, changing. I am so happy. I am so happy. Yeah, so that's our light. That's our light. I really wanted to unbox it so that I can start using it. I wanted to unbox it with you people so that I can start using it. And now that I've done that, now we can go shoot some good quality content for you guys, mostly in the kitchen. I even stopped going live because actually I can't hold it, it's heavy. So until I fix it kabisa, I can't use it right now. But you've seen, it's a very nice light, by the way, and it's powerful. And they said this one is not like the ring light. It can, inaweza last longer. Okay. Oh, I am so happy. Oh God, I'm so happy. I am so happy to have this light. I'm not going to lie, so happy. So now we can go do a very nice cooking content, cooking videos. We can go live now. Oh, there's a day I tried going live without a light. Oh my God. I wish you saw the quality. I looked at it and I was like, no, we're ending this right now, and I'm actually deleting it. It was bad. It was very bad. So we're going to be shooting very nice quality content, and I hope you guys watch, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, help us grow. We started this channel when this boy was, I think, 4 months. He's 11 months now. He's walking now. Imagine. Growth and milestones. And trusting God, because YouTube is not easy. Kwanza for someone who is just starting, mtu mwenye anaanza YouTube, YouTube is hard. Kwanza saizi, I still don't know what my audience wants to watch, because I've gotten a lot of subscribers from a cooking video. So I don't know if I should just stop shooting every other video and just do cooking videos. I don't know. I still haven't figured out what it is that my subscribers, my audience wants to like watching from my channel, so that I can do that more. Okay? So it's hard. My videos are getting, I think the cooking videos are the ones getting more views. At least they have like 1,000 views. Okay, and the shots of Nolan. But my other videos, others don't even get to 100 views. 100 views. So when am I going to get the watch hour if I'm not getting views? Because views equals watch hours, and I'm not getting views. That means no watch hours for me. So it's hard. YouTube, it's hard. It will teach you patience and perseverance. Because right now, I'm just praying and hoping and working hard to make sure that by the year ends. We started the channel December 30th. So before December 30th of this year, I really hope that we can get the watch hour, so that we just monetize the channel, so they don't start deducting my watch hour from the little that I have already. I don't want them to start deducting my watch hour from the little watch hours that I have. So please watch the videos to the very end and share the videos, share my channel to people that you know. Let them binge watch my videos, okay? Even if you don't sit there and watch everything, just put them on, let them binge watch, okay? Yeah, you're going to help me a lot in getting the watch hours. And when I go live, please join the live and like, also comment. Let's interact in the live chat, so that YouTube recognizes that, oh, actually people like this channel, people like the content in this channel, and they can push my video to many people, so that we can grow. Okay, for now the video was not about YouTube growth. The video was about this unboxing of these lights, which I am so happy about. I am so happy. So yeah, that's it. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, yeah, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Okay, ashaanza kuweka mate. I'm going to beat you. Anyway, from my family to you, with love. Until next time, bye bye and stay blessed. Mwah! Love you so much. We love you.